Hi, I'm Daniel LeBeau, and welcome back to the Fourth Revolution. We're going to be talking about the coronavirus today, and the U.S. markets, which appear to be somewhat immune in the early onset of this coronavirus, have now been infected with fear. Federal authorities just came out in the U.S. earlier today saying that we should expect the coronavirus to be widespread in the coming weeks, which is a huge concern for not only all of us, the global markets as well. The U.S. markets broke down the worst they have in over 2 years, selling off over 1,000 points on the Dow Industrial, which is the only third time this has done this in history. And today, the markets continue to drop. The Dow down already over 600 points, and it seems like there is no end to the slide here. As you can see in this chart, where we passed down below our 50-day moving average and we're coming down to our 200-day moving average. We're just about 4% off of that, and I think that could be a level that we bounce off of. I mean, our equity markets have been quite richly valued, and I think that this correction could be good for buyers in the market. So all the major indices have lost about 5% since the beginning of the week, with airlines, oil, and vacation stocks getting hammered. The richly valued tech stocks are also taking a beating. You know, sell-off Monday has devastated portfolios around the world. And I don't think it's over yet. Like I said, I think we still have further drop to come. And it's a matter of whether this disease will continue to spread. And this disease is undoubtedly hampering global demand and slowing our world economy if it is not controlled. If we're able to control the spread, though, I think that these stocks have a huge upside once this is solidified and once the entire, I guess, spread of this disease is curbed. So I'm looking for good entry points to jump into my favorite tech stocks right now. Stocks will recover eventually, as stocks always do, and getting in at low valuations is going to be very advantageous. So the first company I'm going to talk about is NVIDIA. NVIDIA is my favorite chip stock. This stock is known for their GPUs, and these GPUs have not only gone beyond image rendering, but they're in databases everywhere and becoming essential for the discovery of true AI. So the stock has fallen about 10% in the last week. As you can see, the stock is very volatile, and I expect it to slide even further as the markets do. We're sitting at about 263 right now. I like this stock at any price below 250. So next stock, Microsoft, the software king. It is now becoming the cloud king. The stock has lost about 9% in the last 5 trading days and has leveled off today at about 170. It has not been hit as the broader market has, as you know. Investors like to buy at low valuations, and they're seeing this as an opportunity. So they're leveling out this stock, jumping at this low valuation, and it's held up today. But I think if the broader market continues to fall, we will see this cloud giant slide as well. And I like the stock at any price below 150. So next company is Sea Limited. It is a company that controls Southeast Asia's digital market. They control the biggest e-commerce space out there, the biggest digital entertainment space, as well as the biggest digital financial space, something like, you know, Venmo or PayPal of Southeast Asia. So they've lost about 10% since the beginning of the week. We're trading at about $46, and I would love to see the stock drop to the 200-day moving average, which is 35. I missed out on this stock at the end of Q4. As you can see, there was a huge spike, but I am not going to miss out again. Once it gets below $35 a share, I am jumping into this without looking back. So continue to look for your favorite tech stocks moving forward as they hit, you know, valuations and price levels that you're comfortable with, because I think this is only a temporary pullback in the markets, and we will see a bounce eventually as this disease is controlled. So thank you for watching the Fourth Revolution, and I look forward to speaking to you guys next time.